lovely peoples, it's Odette here. Thank you guys so much for watching today and for tuning in and for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. I do hope you guys are doing absolutely well. I am going to try to get through this video as fast as I can. My battery is about to die. I can see the red light blinking at me. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some of my best in beauty and skincare over 50, because I am over 50. And these are some of the products that I really love. Let's get into it, and we are going to start right away with Miss Jaclyn Hill. The best in beauty, top notch. You cannot touch this lipstick, not by a long shot. I absolutely adore these lipstick. I am actually wearing In Control today. You guys would have seen this on Instagram. You would have seen you guys, and you would have also seen Feisty as well. And these lipstick are absolutely gorgeous. They are not too drying on the lips. They feel really good, and you may think to yourself, this is a little too bright and too pink when you put it on, but by the time this settles onto your lips, it is absolutely gorgeous. And again, I've got 3 of them from her. Everything we talk about today is going to be in the description box for you guys. They are absolutely beautiful. And also from Miss Jaclyn Hill is the loose powder highlight, and I do have this on my cheeks today. This is stunning. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. I've used loose highlighter powders before. Nothing could ever come close to this one. I mean, just look at the packaging. The packaging is quite cute. Love it. Of course, you do have the J for her initials right there. Absolutely beautiful. Also from Miss Jaclyn Hill is the setting powder, and I did use the setting powder today. Of course, you guys can probably see my highlight. Normally, you don't see my highlight this much, but this setting powder is by far the best I've ever used. And every time I feel like, oh my God, this is the best setting powder I've used, something else better comes along. And this obviously is better. I absolutely love this, and I'm really happy with my purchase. And keeping with Miss Jaclyn Hill, we are going to talk about the beautiful, gorgeous palette, the Dear Mom palette. And I've used this today to do my makeup, and I've used just a couple of colors, but I'm going to come back and do a full face of makeup with you guys using this palette. I went in with Farm Girl, and I think I've used Pudding Girl and Bad Mousse, I think, and of course I went in with the black in the corner of my eyes. But like I said, I'm going to come back and do a video using this palette for you guys. Beautiful products from Miss Jaclyn Hill. Congratulations, your line is doing absolutely beautiful. So next we are going to talk about Miss Fenty Beauty, and of course this line just stands alone by itself. There was just not much explanation with this skincare line, Fenty Skin. And if you are somebody who is having those breakouts, like prone to breakouts all the time, where sometimes you have those pimples under your skin that's just hurting and it's ready to pop, get this line. This is the cleanser right here. All you gotta do is twist the top and squeeze and it comes out. Okay, this is the cleanser. Okay, and you need the moisturizer, which is the fat water. You just twist the top and then you squeeze that out. Really beautiful product. And these products, they smell clean, and when you use this on your face will just feel totally clean. And of course, this is the moisturizer. It comes in 2 parts. Okay, when you order this, it's going to come in 2 parts. You just have to push this in there, and when you twist the bottom, it comes up, and then you just pump and you get your product out. This is really amazing. Next, we're going to talk about Clinique. If you have oily skin and you want your oily skin to be in control, you want your makeup to last all day without a single oil to your skin, you need this this cleanser. This is all about clean liquid facial soap. This is so beautiful. Love that. You would need this. This is the beautiful toner. As you can see, I have been using it. It's a clarifying lotion, twice a day exfoliator. This is the toner. Really beautiful. And this moisturizer, oh my God, this keeps your skin completely mattified. Absolutely gorgeous. I will highly recommend the Fenty Skin and the Clinique skincare line for you guys. And again, for Fenty Skin, you just need the 3 pieces. And for Clinique, you just need the 3 pieces as well, your choice. And these are absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. Next, we are going to talk about Nagi Cosmetics, one of the best foundation I have used. I absolutely love this foundation. And the reason why this is on the top of my best in beauty is because one of my photographs that I've taken is in her store in Montreal, and I was really surprised to hear that because she had sent an email saying, the owner of the brand sent an email to me saying they want to use one of the pictures in store, and I was really, really impressed with it. And I was like, oh my God. So if you are living in Montreal and you go into the Nagi store, you will see my picture somewhere. Okay, that's just saying. And thank you, Nagi Cosmetics, for doing that. I do appreciate it. This is the foundation, and it's called C10. And of course, I do have the concealer. I've got 2 concealers from them as well. Concealers are beautiful. Love that. This blush, and first of all, guys, this is a powder. It's called C10 as well. The C10 powder and the C10 foundation are a perfect match together. The highlighter is just absolutely gorgeous. It is so beautiful, stunning. And also from Nagi Cosmetics is the blush, and this is called Goldfish, and this is an eyeshadow pot, and I've used this before. These are absolutely gorgeous, and they are brown girl friendly. I mean, talk about the perfect combination of colors and tones for all skin types. This is absolutely gorgeous from Nagi Cosmetics. And we are going to move on quickly. I'm almost done. We are going to talk about these beautiful lashes. These are from Simply Dimmy. I am going to leave her YouTube link in the description box for you guys to go check her out. I am wearing her lashes today. These lashes are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to insert a picture. Of course, you guys can see me with wearing these lashes. They are so gorgeous. It's called Dimmy Dazzling, and it's not in the box because it's on my eyes, and these are so beautiful, so gorgeous, and they are so stunning, very sexy and bold, and just makes you feel good. And one of the things I'm going to say about this, Simply Dimmy is also a Black business owner, Black owned business, and it would be really nice if we can all support Black business owners on YouTube, because some of us, we spend so much money and we buy a lot of things from the bigger YouTubers. It would be nice if the Black YouTubers, the small Black YouTubers, will get a lot more support, because this is an awesome brand from Simply Dimmy. I'm going to leave the link below. Beautiful packaging. And also from Sean's Beauty, I purchased a whole bunch of lashes from her as well. Her lash line is gorgeous. I do have my own lash line as well, but I'm just basically talking about these 2 beautiful ladies. They do have their own businesses as well. They do have their own lash line with other things that they do sell. I'm going to leave their video links in the description box, so please check them out. Again, it would be wonderful for Black business owners, and I'm going to include myself in that. Just give us a little bit more support. Just buy the lashes. It's not even expensive at all. And I would really love to see, you know, small Black owners, business owners, just move up a little bit more here on YouTube, because I feel like we are so underrated and we are not getting that support we need from other people. And it would be really nice to check out, you know, the small Black business owners. That would be absolutely wonderful. And also, before we go, I'm in a hurry. I'm sorry guys, because like I said, my battery is about to die. From Doll 10 Beauty, I've shown you guys these things before. It's a 5-piece kit. This is the powder. This is the mascara, and I do have the pencil, the eyebrow pencil here, and it came with a brush as well. Best in Beauty. It covers just about everything. And I know you may say to yourself, the powder looks a little bit light, Odette. No, it's not. It fits just absolutely perfect, because I will put my my color corrector on. For example, this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I will put this on, blend that into my skin, put on my Alexa from Kodali, let that dry down, and then I'm going to put this on top, and I am good to go. Really beautiful from Doll 10 Beauty. And of course, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And last but not least, before we go, this is from Farsali. This is called the liquid powder. In the past, a lot of people would use things like milk of magnesia to really keep their face matte, or to just use this as a prep before they put their foundation on. Milk of magnesia really draws out the moisture from your skin, so I would not recommend you use that. This is so beautiful. It's a little bit pricey. It's called Farsali liquid powder. You do your face prep, you put a little bit of this on because it dries down white, and then you go in with your powder. Your makeup is going to last all day long. Trust me, it will. Try this. If it doesn't work, just leave me a comment and let me know. You know what, Odette, you're talking nonsense. This absolutely works. It really does. And next we are going to talk about this beautiful perfume. Oh my god, I'm going to share with you guys my perfume collection. This is called Rose. I mean, look at the shape of the bottle, guys. I mean, the bottle looks absolutely gorgeous. And this smells wonderful. Oh my god. I'm going to tell you something. People tells me all the time how good I smell. Every single day of my life, people tell me this. I was actually on a train one day, and one guy said to me, "You smell wonderful, by the way." And I'm thinking, how close was this dude to me? Anyhow, this is going to be in the description box as well. Everything we talk about today is going to be down below. On that note, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Everything we talk about is going to be down below for you guys. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. Toodles.